You are Fulani freedom fighter.
Your job, the job they sent you to do in Igbo land has crashed completely. You cannot go anywhere. I will use you to set an example as to how formidable IPOB is. We will use you as an example. You will know. Right now, when you write, maybe you get about 50 reactions. Very soon, it's what will happen to you. You'll be writing for Fulani. You people should go and form as many fake Facebook accounts as possible with Igbo.
Just like so many of you here with fake accounts.
Because you're finished.
Thank you, Machineke. Just like so many of you here with fake account, you can't reason. When we are telling you this man is a Fulani man, he is not a Biafra man. He is not a Biafran. You people don't believe. Keep watching. I will keep playing this video for you people. This is Fulani.
Your job, the job they sent you to do in Igbo land.
Your job has knocked.
You cannot go anywhere.
Our people now know who you are.
I will use you to set an example as to how formidable IPOB is.
Our people now know who Simon Ekpa is. The Ekpa man. In Finland, our people now know who.
Right now, when you write, you get about 50 reactions.
Have opened his nyash. He don't even know when he's dancing this dance.
You can form as many fake Facebook accounts.
He didn't even know when he's dancing Fulani dance. Assuming he know, he will dodge. He will stop dancing this. He's not a man, as a woman. He is a Fulani.
Okay, my people, welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing? Yes, we are going to have a quick reaction to this guy. You know what they are doing, and is every day one fool, every day just a fool. You know, they will be bringing one fool per day, a foolish person per day. I don't know why they choose that way. I don't even know this guy, but when I saw his video on a PMS handle, I decided to make a quick reaction to that. Yes, I saw this last night. Okay, based on my time zone. I said, okay, today I'm going to go through this, and it is funny. It is funny because these people, they're not only proving that they know what they're doing, but they're proving that they choose to do what they want to do. Now, the Digas Mass Namorcanos broadcast where he was addressing another person, probably a journalist, based on what he's saying here, that the person is writing for Fulani, that he's going to deal, Biafrans are going to deal with the person, that people are going to comment on it. Because when he said going to deal, it's not that some people may say, oh, he's calling for war and all that. No, they don't know he's talking about here, probably to go to his page, the person page, and comment and show, you know, grievances of what the person is saying or what they have done against the agitation of our people, our freedom of our people. Then this guy, they copied it, despite their pretenses that they don't know what freedom is all about. They telling that they're underground, you know, that they know whatever they're doing, that they have a political solution and all that garbage. PM dancing, Fulani dance has nothing to do with identity of the person. In fact, one of the reasons why I'm actually, you know, reacting on this video is not because it's not about what he's saying, but for you to understand that these people can use anything to prove their propaganda. I mean, to convince people. But we are going to debunk it, of course. That's why we're here. Now, let me start by telling you that many people have worn clothes or attire from the Northerners. Hopus Odemma, Peter B, Ojus Okalo, Rogers Okolocha. So Rogers Okolocha is one of the persons that always appear in Northerners attire. Does it mean that he's a Northerner? In Reverend Father Mbaka's music, if some of you that are Christians, you understand what I'm saying easily than other people that are maybe traditionalists that are listening. Or if you are not good in Mbaka's music, go and listen to his song. There are some tracks that he speak different languages on that: Yoruba language, Hausa language, Efik. Does it mean that Mbaka is a Fulani man? I mean, let us use wisdom, because if you allow yourself to be convinced or pay attention or feel irritated when you hear these people, talking, that means you are not connecting the dots. Do you understand? So PM dancing, this dance that PM is making is actually mocking the people. I don't want to explain it more. Let me not just trigger something here, but if you know, you know. The video that PM where he was dancing there, using stick to dance like Fulani people, does not mean that he's a Fulani person. This is not to justify whatever they're claiming, because they know that the PM is even Igbo than them, more Igbo than them. Like I said, time will come when DNA will be a must. Before you contest for anything in Biafra land, you'll be subject to DNA. You have to present your DNA test, your DNA results, before you can contest for anything, because we have a lot of mixed blood. We have a lot of mixed blood today. I've seen some people, what is reigning in Nigeria now is what they call the blind date. Somebody will open a platform, bring two different people and connect them to go and have fun, or to go and start a relationship and all that, making money from that while producing mixed blood here and there. But that will be a story for another day. I will share with you some pictures, okay? But why I'm actually reacting to this, like I said, is for you to know the agenda and the motive, because they are running out of time. They don't have anything again to use to blackmail PM, so they can lay hands on anything to prove that they are doing what they're doing. In fact, they know what they're doing. But current concern, truth must prevail. That's just the fact. Now, let's go through some pictures that you will see people dressing in different attire. Okay, here is El-Rufai, the Kaduna man, okay, former governor of Kaduna State, dressing in Igbo attire. Does it make him an Igbo man? The answer is no. Here is Buhari with Igbo attire. Likewise, many other people. Okay, if you check Osibanjo's own, all of them, many of them have appeared in Igbo attire, Igbo costume. Even the vice president of Nigeria today, Shetima. I must not bring all the pictures here. I just want to remind you, to refresh your memory. You can go on Google and see for yourself. But these people, due to their I don't know the level of their reasoning, they choose not to do some research before they do their propaganda. Meanwhile, exposing themselves the more. Here is pictures of Peter Obi. Here is pictures of Ojo Okalo. We can go on and on. Like I said, go and listen to Mbaka's song or some of his music. You will hear him praising God in different language. So somebody that dance like a Fulani, or dance or speak like a Fulani, which of them, or speak their language, who is more Fulani to other? You see, the person that dance like this person, just like me now, if I dance like maybe Michael Jackson, simply means that I'm American. I'm not from America. If I dance like Sean Paul, it simply means that I'm from Jamaica. You can see the mentality of these people. These are people that bring in Biafra for you. I don't want to waste much of your time. Like I said, this is a quick reaction to that. Tell me what you think about what I just said now, because I know some of you have seen this and say, "Oh, PM, maybe he do what I'm saying is true." Listen, they know what they're doing, and don't fall for that. They know what they're doing. Please and please don't fall for that. Okay? Thank you so much, and don't forget to like this video, share it, comment, tell me what you think. Like I said, and make sure you subscribe if you're new. Have a wonderful weekend. Bye bye for now.